So one of the questions we're often asked by our patients is, can I combine the silhouette thread lift with dermal fillers as well to provide volumization of my face? The answer is yes. We normally ask the patient to come in for their thread lift first because we want to provide some lifting action and help the jowls, the nasolabial lines, and provide a more angular structure to the face. This is going to tighten the jawline, provide better definition to the cheeks, and also help the laxity of the skin. Then in roughly 3 to 4 weeks, we bring the patient back, we assess their laxity and the volumization of the face. And oftentimes, they require less dermal fillers because their face has less laxity, they have more of an angular jawline, and the cheekbone is more prominent. I've often found that the requirement of volumetric change goes down because your skin and your facial structure is at a higher starting point now. So thread lifts are finally 𝐇𝐞𝐚𝐥𝐿 approved, and therefore we are offering this service at the Sharma Clinic. To book your consultation, either drop us a line or visit thesharmaclinic.com. Thanks very much.